So, it's happy anniversary to the real estate business. I know that we don't typically celebrate 14-day anniversary, but we really are 2 weeks into being back in business for the real estate. After 8 weeks of virtually being shut down, we weren't able to show properties or interact with our clients. It feels great to be back and practicing safely and seeing the activity that we're seeing. Interesting as we look at the comparison and look at about how this quarantine has affected our business. And quite honestly, we're seeing a very strong pace in the real estate business, both commercially and residentially. If we compare the last 2 weeks in sales and compare that to 2019, the same 2 weeks, right now we are seeing that transactions are up almost 48%. So in other words, more units being sold, up 47%, and volume is up 51%. So we are seeing a very, very active market right now. And we're doing, although we've implemented all kinds of different procedures and practices to make sure that everyone is safe, we are still seeing great activity. All of this activity is excellent. Obviously, part of what's driving this is the pent-up demand of being really stalled for the last 8 weeks. Part of it also is the fact that we have interest rates that are at an all-time low. Interesting though, if you are thinking about selling, this is the time to be putting your house on the market. Right now, probably our largest challenge is that we don't have enough inventory. We had our inventory challenges before the quarantine, but now we're experiencing it more than ever. So this is the good time to put your house on the market because we have so many buyers and such a great environment for buyers to buy that we need more people to put their house on the market. So I know spring is here, so this might be the time.